In this video, we're going to look at Gmail labels and filters. Labels will help you keep your inbox organized. So if I click on this email, I'm going to select it, go over here to the labels button. I'm going to I could choose one of the pre-made labels or I can create a new one. So I'm going to create a label called Gmail. And now you'll see that that email has been labeled Gmail. Now I'm going to just refresh my inbox here. What you'll notice also is over here on the left-hand side, there's now a category also called Gmail. If I click on that, that email has been added to the new category. So at the moment, it's still in my inbox, but I could also search for it over here. Let's say I don't want it in the inbox anymore. Simple, select. Now I'm going to also move it, and I can move it over to that Gmail area. So I've taken it directly from the inbox and put it in, and everything's going to be now categorized in that area. So maybe you want to have all the information from the band boosters go into one place, all the information about a committee you're on into one place. Give it the label, you can put it right in there. Now, you can also make this process even easier by using filters. So up here in the search bar, you have this little button here. You might recognize it from your Google Drive. Click. And let's say that you want all of the emails from maybe a specific person to have an action applied to it. So maybe I want everything. I'm going to put in my personal email for right now. Oops. There we go. So everything that comes from my personal email address, we're going to create a filter. We can now apply specific actions to it. I skip the inbox and immediately archive it. Apply a star to it. Apply a label to it. Everything that comes from your Band Booster president automatically gets labeled Band Boosters. You could have it forwarded, right? If there's a specific person that sends you emails that you want that maybe in your personal email address, you could have that forwarded. It could create a specific template, be marked as important, go into a category. So there's all kinds of different options of what you could do with a specific email. And that's just saying when it comes from somebody. You could also change it so if it has specific words in it, right? There's another video that talks about how to create an email filter specifically for things coming from Google Classroom. You could apply that to Canvas or Schoology. So use the filters to have Gmail work for you. Organize your inbox, apply specific actions, and make it so it's less work, less clutter that you're having to deal with.